Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today's workout is all about strengthening those powerful quads. We all want to get stronger, more stable legs. So if that's you, keep watching. These quad strengthening exercises are specifically designed for older adults or anyone looking to enhance their lower body strength and stability. They're suitable for beginners and can be done right at home without any special equipment. All you need is a sturdy chair and a little bit of space. So grab a seat, relax, and let's get started. The first exercise we're going to do today is called the chair squat. And this one is fantastic because it strengthens the muscles in your thighs and your hips. Stand up straight in front of your chair with your feet shoulder width apart. Slowly bend both knees and begin lowering yourself down towards the chair, as if you're about to sit down. But wait, stop just above the seat. Don't actually sit down. From there, push through your heels and imagine squeezing the hamstrings to return to a fully upright position. Repeat this movement 5 to 10 times, keeping a steady pace. Remember to keep your back straight throughout the exercise and avoid leaning forward. If this feels too challenging initially, you can start by just lowering yourself halfway down and gradually work your way down towards the floor over time. The chair squat not only helps to strengthen your thighs, hips, and glutes, but also improves your balance and stability, which is essential for everyday activities, such as standing up from a seat or climbing up the stairs. Plus, it enhances your lower body endurance, making it easier to stay active for longer periods. Next up is an exercise that focuses on those hard-working calves. The calf raises. Stand up tall behind your chair, holding onto its back for support. Lift both heels off the ground so that you're standing on the balls of your feet. Slowly raise your body weight up and down, bending and straightening your ankles. Try to keep your knees slightly bent throughout the movement and avoid locking them during this exercise. Aim to repeat this movement 10 to 15 times, maintaining a steady pace. Calf raises are not only great for strengthening your calves, but they also help to improve your balance and stability, making it easier to navigate uneven surfaces and reduce the risk of falls. They also help to reduce stress on your lower back and knees by strengthening the muscles that support them. If you find it difficult to balance while standing on one leg, you can start by performing calf raises while seated in a chair and gradually progress to standing as you get stronger. Now let's work on those side leg muscles with the side leg lift. Begin by standing next to your chair, holding onto the back for support. Lift your right leg out to the side while keeping your knee straight. Raise your leg as high as you comfortably can, then slowly lower it back down to the starting position. Repeat this movement 5 to 10 times on the right side. Then switch sides and repeat the same movement on the left side. Side leg lifts are a fantastic exercise for targeting the hip abductors, which are important for stability and mobility. By strengthening these muscles, you'll be able to walk more confidently and reduce your risk of falls. Additionally, side leg lifts improve balance and coordination, making everyday activities such as getting in and out of bed or chairs much easier. To modify this exercise for beginners, you can start by performing side leg lifts while seated in a chair and gradually progress to standing as you get stronger. Next, we have the seated leg extension. This one is excellent for working the quadriceps muscles, which are essential for extending the knee. Sit comfortably in a chair with your back flat against the backrest. Extend your right leg straight out in front of you until it's parallel to the floor. Hold your leg in this position for a few seconds, then slowly lower it back down to the starting position. Repeat the same movement on the left side. It's important to note that you should avoid pushing off the floor with your toes during this exercise. Instead, concentrate on extending your leg without kicking off the ground. Aim to perform this exercise 10 times on each side, Keeping a steady pace, regular practice of seated leg extensions can lead to improved functional strength, which makes everyday activities like climbing up the stairs or getting up from a seat much easier. It can also help maintain independence and prevent falls by strengthening the leg muscles responsible for balance and stability. For individuals who are unable to sit upright in a chair, this exercise can be done lying on the floor with the assistance of a partner or physical therapist. Let's now focus on our balance with a heel-to-toe walk. This exercise is fantastic for improving your stability and coordination. Stand behind your chair with your feet shoulder-width apart. Take a step forward with your right foot, bringing your heel directly in front of your left toes. As you step forward, shift your weight onto that right foot. Once your right foot is in position, lift your left foot up and set it down in front of your right toes, bringing your heel down to the ground before your toes. Continue alternating feet in this manner, taking slow and steady steps as you walk. Heel-to-toe walking not only helps to improve your balance and stability, but also strengthens your lower leg muscles, particularly your calves and ankles. It's a low-impact activity that's suitable for people of all ages and fitness levels. If you're a beginner, it's best to start practicing heel-to-toe, walking in a well-lit, clutter-free area. As you become more comfortable with the movement, you can gradually progress to walking in other environments, such as outdoors, on a flat surface. And finally, let's conclude our workout with the gentle hip march. Stand up straight with your feet shoulder-width apart behind your chair. Hold the back of the chair for support. Lift your right knee up towards your chest, bending your knee at a 90-degree angle. Hold this position for a moment, then slowly lower your leg back down to the starting position. Repeat the same movement with your left leg. Continue alternating legs in this manner, keeping your movements slow and controlled. Gentle hip marches are a great exercise for improving hip mobility and strengthening the hip flexor muscles, which are important for activities like walking and climbing stairs. They can help improve balance and coordination and reduce the risk of falls, making it easier to navigate tight spaces and uneven terrain. It's important to note that it's okay to start slowly and gradually build up your endurance. Over time, consistency is key when it comes to incorporating these exercises into your daily routine. Even just a few minutes a day can make a significant difference in improving your lower body strength and stability. Remember to listen to your body and take breaks when needed. Stay hydrated and wear comfortable clothing and shoes that provide good support. With dedication and practice, you'll notice improvements in your physical capabilities and overall quality of life. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you're looking for more fitness content, please visit our channel for more great videos. Don't forget to like and share for more valuable content. Until next time, happy exercising.